Mastering the art of reheating Alfredo pasta.
Hello there, pasta lovers. Today, we're going to unravel the secret to perfectly reheating your leftover Alfredo pasta, maintaining that creamy, rich texture without it becoming dry or overcooked. We know how tricky it can be, but worry not, because we've got your back.
Why is reheating Alfredo pasta a challenge?
First off, let's discuss why reheating Alfredo pasta can be a little tricky. Alfredo sauce, as we all know, is a creamy, rich delight made primarily from cheese, butter, and cream. When reheated improperly, the butter and cheese can separate, leading to an unpleasant grainy texture, and the pasta can become overcooked, losing its desired al dente texture. But there's no reason to fear, because there's a surefire way to avoid these issues.
What you'll need.
Before we begin, gather the following: leftover Alfredo pasta, a stovetop pot or a microwave-safe dish, a tablespoon or 2 of milk or cream, a spoon for stirring. Remember, the key here is to reheat slowly and gently. Rushing the process will likely lead to a disappointing result.
Reheating Alfredo pasta on the stovetop.
Now, let's delve into the stovetop method. 1. Place your leftover Alfredo pasta in a pot. 2. Add a tablespoon or 2 of milk or cream. This will help to keep the sauce creamy and prevent it from drying out. 3. Warm the pasta over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pot. 4. Once the pasta is heated through, this should take about 5 to 10 minutes, remove from heat and serve immediately. Important: avoid reheating on high heat, as this can cause the sauce to separate and the pasta to overcook.
Reheating Alfredo pasta in the microwave.
If you're short on time, you can also use a microwave. Here's how. 1. Place your Alfredo pasta in a microwave-safe dish. 2. Stir in a tablespoon or 2 of milk or cream. 3. Cover the dish loosely with a microwave-safe lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap. This will create some steam, helping to keep the pasta moist. 4. Heat the pasta at 50% power for 1 to 2 minutes, then stir. 5. Continue heating at 50% power in 30-second intervals, stirring after each, until the pasta is heated through. Note: using 50% power ensures that the pasta heats slowly, preventing the sauce from breaking and the pasta from overcooking. And there you have it. With these steps, you can say goodbye to dry, overcooked Alfredo pasta and hello to creamy, delicious leftovers. Remember, the secret lies in gentle and slow reheating, with a little help from some added milk or cream. Enjoy your perfectly reheated Alfredo pasta.